Dalawa pa lang.
Dalawa lang. Siyempre, lang hinog-hinog.
Ito hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
So this is the papaya that I harvested last time. It's already ripe. Look at that. And it have only few seeds. It came from our garden. Let's taste. Oh. Ang tamis. So sweet. Sarap. So we will ask the member to taste this. And so we will ask the member how's the taste of this. Let's go. Papaya from the garden.
Wow! Parang hindi guards galing sa garden pa.
Yun ang mali. Anong lasa?
Tamis.
Sarap. Dalawa, isa lang dapat eh. How's the taste? Ang sarap! One more, one more!
Ang sarap po. Parang ano talaga siya. Hindi siya pineste. Inalagaan siya ng mabuti. Ang sarap po.
Okay. Papaya from the garden. Bibigyan ko kayo later. Pag lunch. Hindi, tikman nyo muna. How does it taste? Ano?
It's good.
It's good. Tamis? Ah, tamis. Okay. About you. Papaya. From the garden, yung papaya dyan. Kamusta? Masarap? Masarap. Lagay mo na dito yung chan.
Sa Monday.
Pati isa. Kainin mo na isa. Ano, kamusta lasa? Ha? Tamis? Oh, diba? Everybody say it's so sweet. And, yeah. It came from there. From this. How is it?
Hindi masarap.
Masarap.